Welcome back. In our previous modules, we covered the what and the how. Now, we're talking about the why. The disability tax credit isn't just a certificate, it's a financial engine. It can lead to massive retroactive refunds, monthly benefits, and long-term wealth building. Today, we're going to calculate the 10-year refund and look at the programs the DTC unlocks. A common mistake is thinking you can only claim the DTC if you have a high income. If you have income, you use the credit to lower your own taxes. If you have little or no income, you can transfer the unused portion of the credit to a supporting family member, like a spouse, parent, or even a child, who helped you with food, shelter, or clothing. This ensures that the family unit as a whole receives the financial support intended by the CRA. If your disability started years ago, the CRA allows you to backfile for up to 10 years. Because the credit amount is indexed, meaning it goes up every year, the math looks like this. In 2026, the federal base amount is $10,138. In 2016, it was $8,001. When you add up the federal and provincial portions over a decade, it's common for a single adult to receive a refund check between $15,000 and $25,000. If you are a parent of a child with a disability, that number can be even higher because of the supplemental amounts. This is money you've already paid in taxes that the government is returning to you. Once you have the DTC, you must open a Registered Disability Savings Plan, RDSP, if you are under 50. The government provides grants. They will match your contributions by up to 300%. Put in $1,500, and the government could add $3,500. Bonds. For low-income Canadians, the government will deposit up to $1,000 a year into the plan, even if you contribute $0. The lifetime limit for these grants and bonds is $90,000. It is quite literally the best savings vehicle in Canada. The DTC also triggers monthly cash flow. Child Disability Benefit, CDB. For parents, this can add over $280 per month per child to your CCB payments. Canada Disability Benefit, CDB. This is the new benefit for 2026 for working-age Canadians. If you qualify for the DTC and are low income, you could receive up to $200 extra every month. Canada Workers' Benefit Supplement. If you are working, you can claim an extra disability supplement of roughly $843 per year. Calculating 10 years of tax adjustments, navigating RDSP grants, and ensuring your provincial benefits aren't affected is a lot to handle. At Disability Credit Canada, this is our specialty. We don't just get you approved for the credit, we ensure your tax returns are adjusted correctly to maximize every penny of that retroactive refund. We've recovered millions for our clients, and we know exactly how to trigger the supplemental benefits you might not even know you're eligible for. If you want to ensure you are getting the absolute maximum from your DTC approval, let our experts do the math for you. Remember, no win, no fee. A final important note, the DTC is a federal credit. In almost every case, receiving a DTC refund or opening an RDSP will not reduce your provincial social assistance like ODSP or AISH. In fact, the RDSP is specifically protected so you can build wealth without losing your monthly support. Money in your pocket today and a savings plan for tomorrow. That is the power of the DTC. In our final module, we're going to cover the tough stuff. What to do if your application is denied, how to appeal, and the most common pitfalls to avoid. See you in Module 4.